Hi everyone. Today in this session, I'll show you how to go about setting up your Go high level chatbots and other way of communication or conversation through Insighto.ai AI agents. So here, like once you log in, go to the AI agent section. You use the tool section to set up your integration with Go high level. This is You start a new session here. You log into Go high level. Once you are logged in, it will ask you which sub account you want to integrate with. So we select AlgoScale. We give it test integration. You can give any name that you want to use. Okay, so for the function, we would keep them deactivated since we intend to use this tool only for handling our widgets, right, to automate the conversations through GHL. So we just save it. Next, we move to the widget section. We already have the assistant created, so I'm skipping that one. We just go to the widget. I select the assistant first. Let's say Insighto Assistant. I give it the name Insighto GHL. Then yeah, this is the widget type that I need to select, which says lead connector here, right? Now I select the same GHL integration which we created in the previous step. And then we select which channels it would respond to, right? So usually it would be your live chat widget on GHL. You could also select other mediums, right? For example, email, Instagram, or anything that you want. Then you can select the location ID which we connected to. Then you go submit. Once it is saved, now this is my GHL account. This is the chat widget that I have created, and this is the dummy sample page that I have created. Now, if I respond, if I message it anything, now this is coming through our Insighto, right? Uh, Taking me about Insighto. So it will tell me, like, it will work the same way as the chatbot works on a website. Now I can also book an appointment through this, right? So it's asking me if you want to book a demo. So it provided me all the time slots. So let's say I want to book it for tomorrow uh, at 10 a.m. It's asking for my name. Now the email address. For some reason, this message did not delivered. Okay, so yeah, now the message, the demo has been booked. You would receive the invite on your email. Now, if I check in my engagement section, so you can see the entire conversation here, right? So that single message was not delivered, so hence the bot did not respond to it. So yeah, this is it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support. Thank you.